Welcome to this instructional video about approaches to learning. The purpose of this video is to reflect on the learning experiences that allow students to demonstrate ATL learning skills. The target audience for this video are educators who are new to the MYP. First, I would like to mention how the information in this video is organized. In the first part, I am going to mention the way in which ATL skills are presented in MYP documents. In the second part, I am going to talk about the role of the teacher. And in the last part, we are going to reflect on different scenarios that allow students to demonstrate different ATL skills. In MYP documents, ATL skills are organized in 5 different categories: thinking, social, communication, self-management, and research skills. Each category has one or several clusters. In your subject documents, each category also includes indicators. For example, in thinking skills, we can find the following indicators: interpret data, use brainstorming and visual diagrams to generate new ideas and inquiries, create original works and ideas, and use existing works and ideas in new ways. You can find subject-specific skill indicators in your subject guide. What skills can students demonstrate in lectures? How about when they are completing worksheets? Some people may argue that in lectures, students are able to demonstrate focus, active listening, and patience, and then when they are completing worksheets, they are demonstrating reading skills. However, in order for learning to be meaningful and impactful, we want our students to demonstrate a wider variety of skills. So, if we want to welcome thinking into the classroom, if we want our students to use their imagination, if we want students to play different roles and to collaborate, and if we want students to share perspectives and construct meaning together, we need to create opportunities for them to do so. When we want students to demonstrate a certain set of skills, we should reflect on whether they know what these skills are or whether they have the training to do what we are asking them to do. So, in order for students to learn about learning, we need to model. We need to show them how to do things. We need to guide them. And we need to assess their readiness before we ask them to perform. So how can students demonstrate thinking skills, social skills, communication skills, self-management skills, and research skills? Remember that for students to authentically and genuinely demonstrate these skills, they have to have a need. Let us explore a few scenarios. When we ask students to participate in a roundtable, we are giving them the opportunity to demonstrate communication skills, thinking skills, and research skills. When we ask students to investigate, to analyze, and to debate case studies, we are giving them the opportunity to demonstrate their research skills, their communication skills, and their critical thinking skills. When we engage students in learning through different media, we are giving them the opportunity to work on their self-management skills, to demonstrate communication skills, and to practice and demonstrate research skills, particularly media literacy skills, because they are going to be working with information that is presented in different formats. When we ask students to present work in different formats, we are asking them to demonstrate their creative thinking skills and their communication skills. When students participate in collaborative research, they have opportunities to demonstrate their research skills, both information literacy and media literacy skills. They also have the opportunity to demonstrate communication skills because they listen, read, speak, and write. And they do this with a sense of purpose all the time. In collaborative research, students also practice their thinking skills. When we employ this strategy called learning stations, we are giving students the opportunity to practice collaboration, which is a social skill. Students also demonstrate communication skills and critical thinking skills. But most importantly, in this strategy, we differentiate the learning for students and we meet them at the point in which they are in their learning process. When we ask students to analyze conventions and different sources, students have the opportunity to demonstrate their research skills, their communication skills, and their critical thinking skills because they are going to be analyzing and evaluating sources, synthesizing information, and comparing and contrasting different perspectives. As you can see, there are certain approaches to teaching that are conducive to demonstrating specific skills. For this reason, the International Baccalaureate promotes 6 approaches to teaching: inquiry-based teaching, concept-based teaching, differentiated teaching, teaching informed by assessment, teaching based on collaboration, and teaching based on local and global contexts. These 6 approaches to teaching provide opportunities for students to demonstrate their ATL skills. These are some strategies that may create opportunities for students to demonstrate ATL skills: visible thinking routines, spiderweb discussions, collaborative learning, the Cunaguaderna model, MUN model-based tasks, literary circles, role plays, project-based learning, and many more.